Creating a compelling Instagram Reels covers is essential for capturing attention and increasing the likelihood of your content going viral. Here's some concise tips to enhance your Reels covers. So, first, use a high quality images. You can go ahead and click edit cover right here and then click add from camera, so you can add from your own camera. Let's say, for example, I'm gonna add this cover, right? And make sure that you use a high quality images. Ensure your cover photo is clear and visually appealing to attract viewers. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna incorporate text. You can go ahead and click the double A right here, A capital A small at the bottom left, and start typing something compelling, right? Adding descriptive text can provide context and entice users to watch your reel. And maintain consistent branding. You can use colors. Let me type in English. Right. Use colors in fonts that align with your brand to create a cohesive look across your profile. You can go ahead right here and click the type of the font at the bottom right here, and you're gonna be able to so you can keep your audience interested. Next, utilize template. Employing a pre-designed template can save time and maintain consistency. If you have already designed cover for your Instagram Reels, you can go ahead and click add from camera roll and then add your own cover photo. Okay. And next, leverage editing tools. You can use applications like Canva. You can go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and hit search, and then go to Canva. Canva allows for easy creation of customized covers that fit your feed's aesthetics. By implementing these strategies, you can craft engaging Reels covers that enhance your content's visibility and virality. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.